Alright, so I'll show you guys how to apply for Temu Ambassador, since you guys will be asking a lot how to join the program and how to, how to earn money within it. So I'll show you guys. So basically, your job will be promoting your own link, promote your code, bring in other ambassadors. That's how you make money from it a week. So without further ado, if you're new, make sure you guys subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump into this video. All right, so first you're gonna want to go ahead and open up your app, and once you open up your app, you can just click the first link in description or the second link where it says join campus ambassador. It should bring you up here. So once you bring you up here, you should see this option right here, campus ambassador. By any chance, you should see this right here, campus ambassador. And once you see this right here, that means you're being accepted, of course. And make sure you are enrolled in school, some sort of classes, colleges, so they can put you over here, because if you don't do that, none of this will work. So yeah, so once you come over here, your job will be to basically, this right here will be your code, and this right here will be your link. Okay, just click where it says refer to earn. So basically here, if you refer other campus ambassador, and you get to have 20% off. Okay, 20% off each purchase you made. So basically, that's how campus ambassador work. I hope this video helps out, because if you guys are really willing to learn about it, you can just click and sign up about it. The link, any link down below says join the campus ambassador. That will be helpful, and I'll catch you guys later.